You can't be everywhere at once, seeing where calls are rolling to voicemail on key lines, or even when 911 is dialed. Yet, OneView's configurable alerts will notify of any configured alert scenarios as soon as they happen. These alerts can trigger awareness of situations such as if a 911 call is made and who made it, voicemails left for an absent employee, and voicemails left on a high-priority customer service line. Some other examples are voicemails left on an extension for high-priority response or support, calls going to an employee line who's left the company, or when your telco line utilization reaches specific thresholds. Any activity related to calls, voicemails, or system performance thresholds can have an associated alert. Interested in the product? Well, this is just one of many ways OneView can benefit your organization. Contact us and give it a try.